Ever asked AI a question and got a response that made you go, "What on earth is this?" If your AI answer feels vague, weird, or completely off track, it's not AI's fault. It's because your prompt is too broad. But don't worry. In this episode, I will show you one simple trick to get AI to understand you instantly by being specific. Let's go. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Coach Lola. I use technology to empower plus size women to break free from weight based limitations and build unshakable confidence to create success, financial independence, health, and wealth on their own terms. In this video, you will learn why vague prompts confuse AI, how to make your prompts ultra specific for better results, real examples of weak versus strong prompts, a simple formula to structure your prompt perfectly, a challenge at the end to test your skills. So stick around. This way, by the time you're done watching, you will never get a bad AI response again. Number one, why specificity matters in AI prompts. AI is smart, but it's not a mind reader. It works best if you give it clear details. The more specific you are, the better the results. Think of AI like a chef. If you just say, "Make me food," you could get anything. But if you say, "Make me a spicy grilled chicken salad with honey mustard dressing," boom, the chef knows exactly what you want. AI works the same way. Let's look at an example of a weak prompt. Write a blog post about fitness. Fitness is too broad. AI is confused. What aspect of fitness? So it just goes ahead to write something or anything. Now let's look at an example of a strong prompt, and this will blow your mind. Note that I am focusing on my niche, but you can plug it into your own niche too. Write 500-word blog post about fitness tip for plus size women, focusing on gentle workouts that support joint health and boost confidence. Use an encouraging and motivational tone. See the difference? The second one gives AI all the details it needs. Length, 500 words. The audience, plus size women. The focus, gentle workouts. Not just any gentle workout, but one that supports joint health and boosts confidence. And the tone, it says encouraging and motivational tone. Isn't that amazing? If you're getting value on this Mastering AI Prompt series, go ahead, like, subscribe, then put on the notification bell so you won't miss any of the series when it drops. Number two, how can you make your prompt stronger? You should add these details. Use this simple formula to make AI work like a pro for you. I call it the who, what, how, and extra theory. Who is your audience? What exactly do you need? The how, this covers the tone, the style, and the format. Extra is anything specific to include or avoid. Let's look at some examples of weak versus strong prompt. A weak one says, "Give me social media tips." A strong one will be like, "Give me 5 TikTok growth tips for health coaches targeting plus size women." Keep it short, engaging, and practical. Wow, you have killed it. The result? AI gives you exactly what you need instead of random or generic advice. Now, let's try it together. I want you to test this out by dropping a prompt you struggle with in the comments, and I'll refine it for you. Let's make AI work for you, not against you. Also, subscribe for the next AI tip because you don't want to miss this series. Hit that like button if this was helpful and share with someone who needs a better AI result.